Hi guys, so I am walking you guys through Clever. So once you log into Clever, these are the two main apps we were going to be using in this class. And this is McGraw-Hill. This is where your textbook assignments are, and then this is IXL. For this video, we're going to focus on IXL. You can check the previous video I uploaded to see how McGraw-Hill works. But for IXL, you're going to pick social studies when you come in, and this is where you'll find my assigned lessons. So you scroll down, the ones in yellow, those are the ones that have been assigned to you. So if it's yellow, that means it's assigned. I want you to do this lesson, and it's incomplete. So the only way you know it's complete is when it has this little badge, or it tells you 90. So what I have been allowing for my lessons is if you score between 100 and 90, that counts as complete. So that tells you that these 3 lessons here are complete because they have all scored between 90 and 100, or they have this little badge here. So this lesson has been assigned, but it's incomplete. So if you click on this lesson, this is how we do this assignment. So it tells you here, you get started. The way that IXL works is you are practicing skills using the content that we've already learned or discussed in class. So your goal is to answer 5 out of 7 questions correctly. For example, this is like starting off. So these lessons just kind of change with you based on your pace, based on how you're doing or what skills you need more practice on. So it adjusts to fit your needs so that you can better learn the content that is, that we're learning in our class. So you are assigned a certain amount of lessons per week. This week I'm only assigning 1, but this is how you know what lesson you have to do. It's highlighted in yellow, and you'll know you're not done if it is not 100, between 90 or 100, or doesn't have a little badge, okay? So come to IXL, click social studies, your lessons pop up, and they're highlighted in yellow. Another quick thing I wanted to add is, for example, if you want to show me that you finished your lessons, you could scroll here and take a screenshot of this. So I would come here to my snipping tool. So I would type snipping tool into my search bar. Snipping tool looks like this, and if you press new, you can grab a screenshot of this, and then you save it to your computer as a picture, and you will then upload that into your assignment in EDSB like I showed in my previous video, and submit. So you submit that to me, and that's how you turn in your work. If you have any questions, send me a message.